Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Of course, I am honored and grateful to have been asked to speak in front of you this afternoon after a week of truly inspiring and gratitude-filled week-long masses and recollection. As we really prepare ourselves for the Holy Week, and no better than in the presence of course, the Black Nazarene, or the image of the Nuestro Padre Jesus Nazareno. This week has truly been an experience of exploration of our faith, resilience, and our community. And I think throughout the week of all the homilies and today's recollection, I can really just be grateful for everyone's presence in the days where we've been able to fill up the chapel to really listen and take in the words. And the best I can do is really encourage everyone to reflect in the spirit of all the homilies, the reflections, especially in our everyday lives. And remember that like the Black Nazarene, we all face challenges. And yet it really is how we respond to these challenges that defines us. Let us embody resilience when faced with adversity or kung ano man yung cross or cruise na dinadala natin. Let us know that we all can lean on each other and share our burdens in this PWU community. And that we all can look up to God for hope, assistance, and guidance. So may the compassion that we have experienced during this week spill into our classrooms and our offices, our friendships, and our community. Let us keep uplifting one another and remind each other that no one is alone in their struggles. Of course, on behalf of Campus Life, Campus Ministry, I'd like to thank all of you for being part of this inspiring week. We'd like to thank our chaplain, Reverend Father Daniel Montermi, and of course our PWU Campus Ministry for spearheading this week's activities. Maraming salamat, Father Daniel. We'd also like to thank, of course, our mass presiders, ang mga energetic, kagalang-galang, kagwapuhan ng mga description ni Father. Maraming salamat. You really filled our minds, our hearts to really listen. So Reverend Father Rene Bernardo, Reverend Father Ana Samonte, Reverend Father Johnson Ronquillo, Reverend Father Douglas Badong, and of course other priests or mass presiders throughout the week. Maraming salamat. Their presence and their words truly filled our minds and souls with many things that we can reflect on in the next week. No? And of course, on behalf of Campus Life and of course of PWU as well, maraming salamat Nanay Singh and to your family for really providing us the opportunity to have the image of the Nuestro Padre Jesus Nazareno throughout the week, blessing us with His presence, blessing us. Binusog niyo kami hindi lang sa aming reflections, sa aming pagdadasal, kundi din busog ang mga channel na PWU. So, thank you to all the sponsors throughout the week and to everyone really who have made this week truly meaningful. So together, let's continue to grow, uplift, and inspire one another as members of this vibrant PWU community. God bless everyone and good afternoon.